Environment Day. World Environment Day comes on 5th June every year. The theme of World Environment Day 2021 is Reimagine, Recreate and Restore Ecosystem. The main motto of World Environment Day is spread awareness to keep our environment clean and green. To achieve such theme, we should follow these. We should grow more plants and grow more trees. We should save animals. We should throw garbages in the dustbin. We should use cloth bag and paper bag. We should not burn crackers. We should not waste water. We should not dump chemical in the water. We should not throw garbage here and there. Thank you. If you love my video, please spread this message to everyone. Please like, share and comment on my video. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell button.